Christine. My name is Tuakay de la Cruz Misa from Grade 11 Subirip, and for today video for my presentation video, I'm going to discuss the Pet Shop Po, and that my topic about the Pet Shop Po is the necklace story, and the author of the necklace is Guy de Maupassant. Nabuhay po siya ng 1850 at namatay po siya ng 1893. Was a renowned French writer, recognized as one of the finest short story writer of his time. His writing style focus on the naturalism and realism, depicting the lives and fates of the originality of people in society, obtained with the theme of mystery and disappointment. His story include the necklace, La Capure, obtained future that unexpected event or twist ending that pace the story lesson. His work contained deep observation on human, nature and challenge of life in 19th century French society. So next, let's proceed to the characters. The first character in the story is Mathilde Lucelle, the protagonist of the story, a beautiful woman born into a family of clerks. She is a deeply dissatisfied with her life and desire a luxurious lifestyle. Her expensive desire for wealth and fame ultimately lead to her downfall. And the second character in the story is Marcel Lucelle. Mathilda's husband, he is a simple clerk who is content with other simple life. He is a gorgeous and willing to sacrifice his dream for his wife's happiness. Despite his efforts, he doesn't fully understand the depth of Mathilda's unhappiness. And the third character in the story is Madame Forestier, a wedding friend of Mathilda, who lead her a necklace for a grand ball. She symbolized the wedding that Mathilda dreams of, but ultimately her necklace becomes a source of great trouble for Mathilda. Now we are finished to discuss the character in the story. Now I'm going to discuss the plot and the story. First of all, there is so many plot in the story, and I'm going to discuss one by one the plot in the story. For me, there is 7 plot in the story, and the first plot in the story is exposition. Mathilda Lucelle, longing for a more luxury life, is upset when she receives an invitation to a high society ball. Despite her husband's effort to cheer her up, she complained about not having a stable dress. And the second is the rising action. Her husband gave her a 400 francs from his savings to buy a dress. However, Mathilda still complains because he doesn't have a necklace to wear. And the third is the climax. She does to Madame Polster to borrow a necklace, so she chose a expensive diamond necklace and enjoys the ball. And the fourth is the polling action. Despite of her enjoyment at the ball, Matilda discovered that the necklace is missing, often returning home. The couple search but cannot find it. And the five naman po is resolution. They are forced to buy a replacement necklace costing 36,000 francs, plotting the team to deep and hardship for the next 10 years. And the sixth plot of the discussion is the denouement. They work hard and suffer greatly to repay their debt. Matilda changed and lost her beautiful over time. And the twist, after 10 years, Matilda encountered Madame Polster wearing. She learned that the necklace she borrowed was fake and only worth 500 francs. And I'm going to discuss next the literature device. First is symbolism. The necklace symbolized the wealth and fame that Matilda desired, but ultimately because a symbol of her downfall. Irony, the necklace led to her its fake, causing immense hardship for her and her husband, highlighting the theme of the difference between appearance and reality. And the next is imagery, the detailed description of Matilda's life from her dream to her suffering impersonates her emotional state and downfall, and foreshadowing the initial statement about Matilda dissatisfaction with her life, foreshadow her subjugation decision and even the lead her to round. And the theme about the story is danger of materialism. The story illustrates the danger of expensive desire for material, for positions, and how it can lead to the destruction of one life. And reality versus appearance, the difference between what appears to the true state of life is center theme. The necklace seemingly valuable, it's fake, illustrating the illusion of wealth. And pride and consecutions, Matilda is expensive pride and her desire to display her wealth lead to her property and the root of her life. Moral lesson about the story is the story teaching that happiness doesn't need come from materials purposes, but from appreciating the simple things in life and the people around us. And the summary of the story is, or the conclusion, the story of the necklace is a poignant reflection of Matilda Lascelles' life, a woman who desires more than that. She has her desire to display wealth as a ball lead to her downfall. Ultimately, learns that the things he valued were not real, and her effort lead her to great hardship. And the story imprays the lesson that we should be content with what we have, and not let material desire destroy our lives and relation. That's all, and thank you for listening to my video presentation, ma'am. And thank you po.